Hi, it was requested that I show you guys what some of the pets that I have are like. So I'm here and I'm going to introduce you to my tortoise named Bowser and one of my tegus. It's a red tegu, and this red tegu is getting ready to shed, so he's gonna look a little grayish red, but his name's Diablo. So here we go. There's the tortoise and the tegu. So this tegu is about 15 pounds. And he makes a pretty good pet. He eats raw turkey and chicken hearts and liver and rats and whatever else I put in front of him. Eggs, he really likes eggs. And this is how big he is. Oh, there he goes. And heck, I will come inside and give you a tour of the other animals. So now this is my blue and gold macaw. Step up. And she loves attention. Yeah, give me a kiss. Holder. Holder. If you know Game of Thrones, you would know the Holder reference. Give me a kiss. She might not. Give me a kiss. See if she'll talk in a minute. Step up. This is my African gray parrot. African gray parrots have huge vocabularies. And this bird's been with me for about 20 years, so it's longer than a lot of my students have been alive. They live, I think, from what I've read, about 40 years, so she's got some time left. And the blue and gold is showing off a little bit. In here, this is where my crested geckos live, and there they are. They're tiny, and they're just hiding in the bottom right now of their cage. They typically like to climb, so these guys are little. Oh. So yeah, play with me. Now ball pythons are a type of snake. And ball pythons, their defense is to curl up in a ball. They're not terribly large snakes, but they're not tiny. They'll eat rats. This guy will eat a medium-sized rat. In the wild, they live in termite mounds and stuff, so they live in these little drawers. And here's the second ball python. And she's doing fine. And the third ball python. Oh, the third ball python's hiding. But it's actually probably the most social one. And there she is. She's known as an ivory, which is just a color pattern. If they get scared, they ball up and hide. And then the last pet you're gonna meet now, the cat I won't be able to find very easily, is the other tegu. And this one's name is Fido. Fido was my first tegu out of the two, and he's very friendly. From what I understand, their bite is about as vicious as a pit bull, so it's good that we can trust him. Oh, don't go anywhere, buddy. So he's been in his cage all day, so he wants to come out. And I'm not sure if he wants to eat. And heck, while I'm at it, Rubik's Cube collection, 9x9 all the way down. Some shape mods. And over here, more of a Rubik's Cube and gadget collection. I've been collecting Rubik's Cubes for, I guess, 2 years. And finally, medals from my races that I've done. And this is probably 20 years worth of medals. So I told you my life is pretty simple. You'll know everything about me there, boom. My wife's not home, so you won't meet her in this video, but I'm approaching 6 minutes now. So there you are. Thanks. I will be posting this on YouTube so you can see a little bit about Mr. Weissman's life. Thanks, and if this was entertaining, cool. See you in class.